I'm very proud to be here, and I want to tell you, I'm not a professional politician. I'm not a good diplomat. I say what is in my heart. I come here few days, but I learned a lot. I learned a lot from Prime Minister Modi's leadership programs and your commitment to alleviate poverty, your commitment to help the marginalized, to help the weakest part of your society is an inspiration for us. I would like to wish the people of India prosperity, peace, greatness in the coming years, and I would like to see Indonesia and India continuing to be close partners and close friends. Thank you very much.